Hi guys, welcome to another short video from the Audiofile-Incar. Today I just want to take you around a BMW System 3 Plus. This is our most popular BMW audio upgrade. It consists of new front components, uprated under-seat subwoofers, an amplifier and a digital processor. Let's take a little look inside. In this particular vehicle, as with most, we've replaced the factory Triangle with the BMW Triangle, including the new grille. So the tweeter sits in the OE location. Now, in an X5, it's a couple of £100 just for these panels, so there is an additional cost. In most other models, we swallow the cost so you can have the OE look at no extra cost. Now, if you don't want this panel, you don't have to have it. We can flush the tweeter in. It looks really cool. There's no additional cost at all in. Because it's a System 3 Plus and this customer has also opted for the DRC Controller, you can see we've put the DRC Controller in the ashtray. It's not just stuck in there, we've made a panel along the side, so it all looks like it's meant to be there. It's a real neat solution. The DRC Controller allows us to change the time alignment from driver focus to neutral focus. I think it's a great bit of kit. I have it in my own car. I wouldn't want to not have it. I like to have driver focus all the time when I'm in the car, but if I've got friends in the car, I can set it to neutral and then everyone gets a good crack at it. It's all very neat, as you can see. The car's immaculately presented. It's been completely validated on the inside, which every car would leave here in the same state. Take a look in the back. Everything's been fitted behind the panel here. So you can see we've got the JL audio amplifier and the Audison bit 10D. The reason why it's a bit 10D and not a bit 10 is because we upgraded to the DRC controller, so we automatically give you a bit 10D. This gentleman also upgraded to a 5-channel amp purely because he has lots of people in the back of the car and he wanted a bit more sound in the back. Normally the system would be completed with a 3-channel amplifier. As you can see, everything's mounted on an MDF baffle, everything's been colour coded, there's no wires showing because I've actually made this trim panel. Everything we do is bespoke, that's all really neat and tidy. There's been no holes drilled, everything's using the original BMW fixings and bolt holes, using the original BMW earth points. That's why we can give you a lifetime warranty on our installation and a 3-year warranty on all the hardware. Last but not least, with every BMW audio upgrade, or in fact every audio upgrade you pick up from here, you'll be presented with one of these. It's a USB stick. It contains step-by-step images of your complete installation. So we're proud of what we do, we've got nothing to hide. We want you to see all the work that's gone into the installation. So on there you'll see images of the subwoofers, the way they're fitted, the soundproofing, the cabling, the backs of the door cards, the MDF speaker mounts, everything from start to finish. It's unique. Thanks very much for taking a look. For more information, visit www.audiofile-incar.co.uk, or if it's specifically a BMW you're interested in, visit www.bmwaudioupgrade.co.uk. Thank you very much.